Welcome to another video of CAMFive EMB. This time, we'll show you how to give maintenance to your machine. Join us. Every machine needs some love every now and then, and the CAMFive EMB Embroidery Machine is no exception. After many hours of work, every machine tends to jam. Set the needles on its original position using the time disc and an Allen wrench. Turn the wrench until it reaches 0. When the needles are in position, it's time to start the maintenance. For this task, you'll need a dry cloth and a lubricant oil. Starting with the bobbin case, which you have to remove from the rotary hook. Add a pair of drops of oil in the inner left zone of the rotary hook. Introduce the bobbin thread back to its place. Remember the safety click sound that it confirms its rightful setting. In the control panel, select this button that will rotate the hook and helps you lubricate the machinery. Move the machine's heads to the needle number 1. In the back side of the heads, you'll find some small holes where you'll put drops each. You'll find a track on the side of the head, which helps it move left to right and vice versa. Introduce the bottle the most you can and put 5 drops of oil. You need to remove the metal plate that covers the middle zone. Use a screwdriver for this. Get this part oiled, replicating the last steps, selecting the needle number 15 in the control panel to lube the tracks. Put some oil to the tracks and holes. Place the plate on its place and screw it back. You'll find on the plate a pair of holes, one on the front and the other on the back. Put 5 drops of oil on each hole. Repeat this on the other head. Clean with the dry cloth the extra oil. With this, we have finished. Your machine is ready for a new day of work. It is important you keep doing this at least 1 per week. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content of the CAMFive EMB machines.